In previous video, we covered all advantages of KNIME and mentioned its general properties. In this video, the ultimate goal is to have a review on KNIME terminology and follow first important steps in learning any software. That is how to install KNIME. Finally, we will have a close look at KNIME Workbench and introduce different parts of that. Then, welcome to Intellacct KNIME Micro Learning courses.
Before starting installation section, we need to get familiar with KNIME Ecosystem. As it is illustrated, KNIME Analytics platform is located in center of this ecosystem. Around, there are extensions that are provided by KNIME, communities or partners. Free access extensions have been showed by dashes. Beside extensions that will be explained later, there are some integrated tools that helps you to use other software such as R or Python in KNIME. KNIME Server is another product that is a server app and helps users, specifically team members, to collaborate and automate their works and easily deploy it for other uses like web services.
Let's start working with KNIME. First we need to install it. Installation process is totally straightforward. 1. Go to KNIME website. 2. Click the yellow button Download on top right corner. 3. Provide some information about yourself if you like. Otherwise, click Download. 4. In following page, different versions of KNIME has been provided. Select the version that suits your operating system properties. After accepting the terms and conditions, installation will start. Depending on your choice, the installation will end up with a zipped, a self-extracting archive file or an installer application. 6. Finally, just unpack or run the file and follow the installer instruction like any other application. Just be aware that these steps are for installing the open source platform. If you would like to have access to enterprise version, you can purchase it from KNIME website.
Before going further on KNIME platform, it is beneficial to introduce most common and important terms that are used in KNIME. Getting familiar with these terms will speed up your learning pace in next sections. Workspace. In order to keep your data, projects, and works in your computer, you need some spaces. Workspace is a folder in your computer that you can save all the works you do with KNIME into it. First time, you will select this folder during installation process, but you can change it later or whenever you need. Like KNIME, workspaces are also portable. Node. They are initial blocks of constructing a data analysis workflow in KNIME. Each node performs a dedicated task that are usually classified based on data science tasks such as reading and writing data, manipulation, visualization, analytics, deployment, and etc. Today, KNIME has more than 4,000 nodes that cover many types of actions you need in data analysis. Nodes have following attributes. Color. Color of each node is usually a representative of type of its action. For instance, reading nodes are orange, manipulation nodes are yellow and visualization ones are blue. Name. Name of a node is written above that and indicates its function. Comment. Below each node icon in workflow, you can add a brief comment. Port. Depends on the task of each node, it has one or more input and output ports. These ports are the channel of data interchange and are in different types. For example, black triangle indicates data while square is representative of various items such as an image, a model or a database connection. Port depends on its color. Status. A horizontal traffic light is located under each node that indicates the status of that node by following colors. Red, which means node is not configured yet. Yellow, that indicates node setting has been done correctly and it is ready to be executed. And green, that means node is executed and you can see the result of that node. Also, sometimes you may encounter exclamation or cross mark that means there is a warning or an error respectively. Workflow. It depicts a series of nodes that are organized in order to perform a data work. It visualizes how data is flowing through the nodes. Workflow group. It would be considered as a folder which contains multiple workflows. Extension. They are a group of nodes that brings additional analytical capabilities and supports you in analyzing data for specific purposes such as text mining, working with big data, connecting to web services, and etc. Some of these extensions are free and you can download them when you install the KNIME or anytime later. These extensions are provided from KNIME community, lab, software vendors, or partners and varies from industry-specific applications to complex software integrations.
In order to launch KNIME, like any other software, click on the desktop icon or reach to it through Start menu. After that, small screen will appear showing the version of your KNIME platform and installed extensions. Next, the Workspace Launcher window asks you about the path of your workspace. By default, the path you have confirmed during installation is proposed, but you can change it by typing a new path or define it using Browse button. This is one of the places that you can change the workspace path. Another way will be stated later. By clicking the checkbox, you won't see this window again while opening the KNIME. The section Recent Workspaces shows the paths you have selected or used recently. Let's launch into KNIME and navigate the platform. Whenever you open the KNIME, it will be open on Welcome page. This page is a window to KNIME World and you can connect to the Hub, Community and KNIME courses through the links which has been provided on that. Let's close this page for now. You can reach to it through Help, Welcome page at any time. This image illustrates different panels of the KNIME workbench. On top, there are menu and toolbars. Menu bar, like other software, consists of some common sections like File, Edit, View and Help section, as well as Node section that is specific for KNIME. Each menu consists of different commands that will be active while it is possible. Each command will be presented later, but let me show you the second way of changing workspace that we discussed before. Through File, Switch Workspace, Other, you will be directed to the same Workspace Launcher page. If you change the workspace path, KNIME will be restarted to use the new path. Below, there is toolbar which is dedicated to some typical icons like New, Save, Save As, etc. and other tools that will be used in KNIME workflows, and we will introduce them later. Just pay attention that when the Welcome page is active, these tools are hidden.
In this video we got familiar with KNIME Ecosystem and installed it through following easy steps. We also reviewed some more information about KNIME terminology and its platform. In next video, we will describe various parts of KNIME Analytics platform in detail. Until we meet again, just keep KNIMing.